In the last episode, we rolled into South Lake Tahoe all excited to launch our brilliant new series, How Tight Are the Slot Machines in Lake Tahoe? Only to be rewarded with the luxury of checking into a pet floor where the soundtrack was nothing but non-stop barking. Thankfully, after escaping that K9 concert and getting a real room, the Caesars Republic Casino decided to be nice and actually let us win something. Now we're off to HARRAH'S to see if our luck continues or if the slots decide to humble us again. Follow along. Our next stop on this journey, everybody, is HARRAH'S. We're taking the tunnel.
HARRAH'S!
We just left Caesars Republic. And if you saw that video, it was good. We had good win. So now, let's go to HARRAH'S.
Yes.
And then win on a slot machine and go, hurrah! Hurrah! We just walked underneath the street.
Tunnel.
Yeah.
But, okay, know that the going down is out of service.
Okay, so we're gonna walk across the street anyways.
Walk.
Well, we're gonna walk out anyways. We're going to 4 casinos today, if we can. All right, so $500, 100 each machine. Good bonus round or good line pay and cash out. See which casino does the best in South Lake Tahoe. It's her first game. She likes this lantern.
Yeah, the last time that we were here, this game was pretty good.
Was it?
Yeah.
This is Fireworks Festival. All right, here we go. There's $100 in there. There's only 1 cent denom. She's playing 250 bets. Here we go. I have to stand way back here. Ooh. What?
It was pretty good win.
Yeah, you got 106. Nice. This is the same manufacturer as... Oh! The same manufacturer as Power Wheel.
Power wheel, yes.
Same sound.
But this side of it is power wheel.
Oh, it's all Power Wheel. Okay. Wild. Nice. Free games.
Wow, it's quiet.
Yeah. $2 bet. Oh, there you go. One more now. Boom.
We were playing it at
Dollar bet. One more at dollar bet now. Boom. Back to 250. Here we go. Here we go. You got a lot of chances. Boom. Come on, free games. $0.50 bets.
It's just not taking.
Nothing's happening.
We're doing a ladder up.
Okay, dollar. 150. $2. $2.50. $3. What are those? If you get 3.
I think if you get 3 or so.
Really? Because I hear it. Oh, you're done?
Go all the way down.
Okay.
It's very quiet, so I'm not gonna do it.
Okay. Everybody loves Crystal Star Nudge. We put in $100 plus the 38. We're doing max bet. Probably like how many spins? Like 12? 1. Seven. $77 left. 68 left. 59.
No nudging?
It doesn't nudge until you see the crystals.
Not even one payback.
No. Well, that's it. Second 100 gone.
Yeah,
that sucked. Decided to play the $100 here on bubble craps. Let's see how we do. I'm gonna stand up here. Here we go. And it is a hard 10.
10.
Down the line. See what the field is.
What is it that they say, like, do this?
Hop it.
Hop it?
Okay.
And then it's a place, buy, right? $2 and $2 here. I would like to get a horn for horn bets, and then $21 to spread across.
Okay.
Where?
6 and 8.
6 and 8?
Yeah.
So 6, 8, and 2 and a 3. And then we have $7 left. Where do you want it? Just spread it across?
Okay. There it is.
That's it.
Cool. And it is a 6.
That's it. Okay. I am going, and we have $21. So there we go. And then 24 and that and that.
Okay. And it is a 4. Nice.
And then we take this out. Repeat last bet. Now we have $33.
Okay.
Okay. So we have $29 to spread across. We'll do 5 like that.
Okay.
Did I do that right? 30?
Yeah.
Is it a 30? Okay. And then 17, like so.
There you go.
All right.
134. And it is a hard 10. Nice. You hit it. And yeah, 156.
Alright, okay. So, we're done.
Okay, you done? Cash out?
We
You
just
can't.
gotta
You gotta
play
play that out. Play out the bonus.
6.
6. Okay. She needs
Let's do
a.
1 all.
Sure.
Buy, place, buy.
Okay.
6.
5. Now you need a 2 and a 3 to get $30. 5. $9. Monster roll. 2. Now she needs a 3. We need a 3 to get $30. Here we go. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 5.
So now we have $6 there, and we are gonna just go across.
Okay.
3.
9. Nice.
Repeat last bet to $2 each. 9.
Oh, 5. Nice. I thought it was. That right there could have been good. All right, here we go.
Could have been a 3.
Could have been a 3. Here comes a 3. Oh, 5.
Almost.
Okay.
Repeat last bet.
She's going again. Here comes a 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Well, 158.
Cash it out.
That's a third 100. Cool.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
That would have been a good play if I went.
Yeah. Fortunes await. Fortunes await at Fate of the 8 Power Wheel. Fourth $100 here. $3.20 max bet. Here we go.
We used to play this a lot at the game.
This one? Oh! Cash in. Oh, it's a line pay. Yeah. Yeah, it's a line pay.
Instant stacks awarded.
All right. I'm cashing out. I'm cashing out. That's more than 25%. Good win. I'm cashing out. I don't want to lose it. Oh, 119.
I'm good with that. I mean, up to you.
Okay. Yeah, we're good. All right,
But that was a good,
one more game.
easy win, yes.
One more 100 coming in. Of course, she loves the Medusa. All right, here we go. Medusa. All right. $100 in there. $3 bets.
Ooh.
Oh.
Almost if she was on the first one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, come on, Medusa. Don't play like that.
3 snakes, please. 1, 2.
Oh, yes.
Is that good? Oh, you got the whole thing. Bonus! Here we go. Medusa. Here we go. Oh, oh, oh! I thought you already got it.
No, not yet. Get it. Get it. Oh, no.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
Oh, the team.
Get it. Get it.
Yeah.
Get it. Get it. Hey. Get it. 45. Get it. Now. One more. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Chance. Wait, is that it?
That's it.
So we're done. You want to keep
That
going? That's it. You got a bonus round. Why isn't it doing anything?
Yeah.
All right, let's add them all together. $500 in here.
It feels like it's still playing.
I know it's not done. So $500 in here, and we're cashing out $414. We didn't lose too much.
Cash out.
All right, 414 here at Harrah's. That's Harrah's, everybody.
We're keeping our money.
Yes, we are. So far,
So good.
Caesar's Republic was good. Harrah's was not a win, but a loss. But we didn't lose everything. tune in for the next episode. We are going over to Bally's. Bally's. Oh my gosh, it's cold out here.
You want this?
It's okay, my head's numb. Yes. Good night.
别墅里面唱 K， 水水里面饮龙鱼，华送阿叔茶记餐。